Welcome to the Auto Vault. Today, we introduce a true American icon reborn, the 2025 Ford Galaxie 500. A name that once ruled the roads in the golden era of muscle cars is back, blending classic muscle aesthetics with modern technology and power. Can this legendary nameplate make a mark in today's high-performance world? Stay with us as we explore its design, engine, performance, features, safety, and pricing in complete detail. Let's get started. 1. Design. A perfect blend of retro and modern. The 2025 Ford Galaxie 500 pays tribute to its classic predecessors while embracing a futuristic look. The front grille is bold and wide, featuring signature LED lighting that enhances its aggressive stance. The sculpted hood, prominent fender flares, and muscular body lines give it a commanding road presence, while the fastback roofline adds a touch of aerodynamic elegance. At the rear, the iconic triple taillight design makes a comeback with modern LED enhancements. Dual chrome exhausts and a subtle rear spoiler complete the look, ensuring this car stands out both in motion and at a standstill. Ford offers multiple color options, including deep midnight blue, metallic silver, and classic red, paying homage to the Galaxie's original shades. Inside, the cabin is a fusion of vintage charm and contemporary tech. Premium leather upholstery, a digital cockpit, and an intuitive 12-inch infotainment system create a perfect balance of nostalgia and modern convenience. A retro-styled steering wheel with modern multifunction controls, brushed aluminum accents, and a customizable ambient lighting system add to the immersive experience. 2. Engine and performance. Pure American muscle reborn. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Galaxie 500 doesn't disappoint. It offers multiple powertrain options to cater to enthusiasts. 5.0L Coyote V8 engine, naturally aspirated. Power: 480 HP. Torque: 420 pound-feet. Transmission: 6-speed manual, 10-speed automatic. 0 to 60 mph, 4.8 seconds. 3.5L twin-turbo EcoBoost V6. Power: 450 HP. Torque: 500 pound-feet. Transmission: 10-speed automatic. 0 to 60 mph, 4.5 seconds. Hybrid V8 EcoBoost plus electric assist. Power: 550 HP. Torque: 600 pound-feet. 0 to 60 mph, 3.9 seconds. Electric-only range: 35 miles. Each variant comes with adaptive suspension, electronic limited slip differential, and selectable drive modes, ensuring a thrilling driving experience on highways and tracks alike. The chassis is engineered for precise handling and superior ride comfort, making it a perfect combination of power and refinement. 3. Technology and features. Classic car, future tech. Despite its retro inspiration, the 2025 Ford Galaxie 500 is packed with cutting-edge technology. 12-inch digital instrument cluster with customizable performance stats. Sync 4 infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports. Heated and ventilated leather seats with massage function. Heads-up display (HUD) for real-time navigation and speed data. The infotainment system is voice-activated, allowing seamless control over navigation, music, climate settings, and vehicle diagnostics without distractions. 4. Safety. A muscle car with high-tech protection. Ford ensures that the Galaxie 500 is not just about performance but also about safety. It comes equipped with Ford Copilot 360 Plus Advanced Driver Assistance System, Adaptive Cruise Control with Stop and Go, Lane Keeping Assist and Blind Spot Monitoring, 360-degree camera with Parking Assist, Automatic Emergency Braking and Pedestrian Detection, Collision Avoidance System and Rear Cross Traffic Alert, a reinforced high-strength steel frame, multiple airbags, and advanced traction control provide an extra layer of protection, making it one of the safest modern muscle cars. 5. Price and availability. Bringing the legend back. The 2025 Ford Galaxie 500 is expected to launch in late 2025, with prices starting at Base V8 model, $55,000. Twin-turbo V6 model, $60,000. Hybrid V8 performance model, $75,000. Limited collector's editions with exclusive colors and performance upgrades will also be available. Final verdict. A classic reborn for the modern era. The 2025 Ford Galaxie 500 is more than just a muscle car. It's a statement of power, heritage, and modern innovation. With stunning design, exhilarating performance, advanced technology, and top-tier safety, it stands as a worthy successor to its legendary name. Would you love to own the new Galaxie 500? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to the Auto Vault for more in-depth car reviews and updates. Thank you very much.